Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we are diving deep into the Samsung 85-inch class QN900D Series Neo QLED 8K SMART Tizen TV, Samsung's flagship TV of 2024. If you're looking for the ultimate combination of cutting-edge display technology, premium sound, and futuristic design, stay tuned because this TV promises to redefine your viewing experience. Whether you're a movie lover, a gamer, or someone who enjoys top-notch streaming, this model could be the crown jewel of your home entertainment setup. Let's get started. Let's start by talking about the design. The Samsung QN900D is a marvel in aesthetics. It boasts an infinity air design, which gives it an almost invisible bezel. You barely see the borders. The image reaches the very edges of the display, creating an expansive, seamless viewing experience. The TV has an ultra-slim profile that's not only sleek but also functional, fitting perfectly into any modern living room setup without dominating the space. The minimalist stand adds to this design ethos, allowing the focus to remain on the screen rather than the hardware. While the design is elegant and futuristic, it also feels incredibly sturdy, ensuring that the 85-inch behemoth stays secure. Now, let's move on to what really matters, the picture quality. This TV doesn't just aim to impress. It delivers a real 8K resolution with AI Upscaling Pro. Imagine having 33 million pixels in front of you. That's 4 times the resolution of 4K and 16 times that of Full HD. You can see every single detail, every texture, and every nuance, making it perfect for both movies and gaming. Samsung has gone all in with its Quantum Matrix Pro with mini LEDs, which offers 1.5 times more lighting zones than conventional Quantum Matrix technology. This means you get jaw-dropping contrast with Neo Quantum HDR 8K Pro ensuring brighter brights and darker darks. From cinematic blockbusters to nature documentaries, you'll feel fully immersed in the scene with vibrant colors and deeper black levels. The AI Motion Enhancer Pro takes this even further by detecting fast-moving objects, especially useful for sports fans. Whether it's a soccer ball, a tennis serve, or a race car, the AI smooths the motion frame by frame, reducing stuttering and motion blur for crystal-clear action. At the heart of the Samsung QN900D is the NQ8 AI Gen 3 processor. This is where things get really interesting because this isn't just a processor for picture quality. It's a smart processor that optimizes your entire TV experience. It enhances depth, shading, and textures for a cinematic experience, but it also works its magic on sound and overall performance. Samsung's AI customization mode further sets this TV apart from the rest. It automatically detects what you're watching, whether it's an action-packed thriller, a sporting event, or a peaceful nature documentary, and adjusts the settings accordingly to give you the optimal viewing experience. Now, what's an immersive viewing experience without great sound to match? The QN900D shines with its Dolby Atmos and Object Tracking Sound Pro. Instead of sound just coming from the bottom or sides, this TV uses AI to track the on-screen action, creating a 3D audio experience. Whether a car zooms past or a plane flies overhead, the sound follows the action, filling your room in a truly immersive way. And if you pair this TV with a compatible Samsung soundbar, you'll unlock Q Symphony, which synchronizes your TV's speakers with the soundbar for an even more powerful and immersive audio experience. It creates a full audio landscape that enhances movies, games, and even regular TV shows. The Active Voice Amplifier Pro is another great feature for people watching TV in loud environments. It uses AI to amplify dialogue over background noises, so you won't miss a single word, even if there's chaos happening around you. For gamers, the Motion Accelerator Turbo 8K Pro and AMD FreeSync Premium Pro support provide seamless motion with virtually no lag. You get a smooth and uninterrupted experience with crisp visuals, even during high-speed gameplay. With the AI Upscaling Pro, even older gaming consoles like the Xbox 360 get a visual boost, and the Real Depth Enhancer Pro gives games a sense of 3D realism. The Game Bar feature allows for quick access to important gaming settings, so you can adjust things on the fly without interrupting your game. Plus, the input lag is minimal, making it a top choice for competitive gamers who need every millisecond to count. When it comes to smart features, Samsung doesn't hold back. The QN900D runs on Tizen OS, one of the most intuitive and user-friendly operating systems in the market. The Smart Hub organizes your favorite streaming apps and content in a way that's easy to navigate. Popular platforms like Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, and more are readily available. And if you prefer voice commands, you can control the TV using Bixby, Alexa, or Google Assistant. Another smart feature worth mentioning is the Auto HDR remastering. This elevates your 4K content with better color and contrast, ensuring that even if you're not watching native 8K content, you're still getting an enhanced experience. The AI Energy Mode is a thoughtful addition. It helps reduce the energy consumption of the TV by analyzing on-screen content and ambient lighting, automatically adjusting the settings to save power. This is a nice touch for eco-conscious users who want premium performance without sky-high energy costs. As with any product, no matter how cutting-edge, there are always a few downsides. A minor drawback mentioned by some users is a brief delay when commercials come on, during which the screen goes dark for a second. While this is a small hiccup, it can be a bit jarring, especially when you're fully immersed in your content. Another area where there might be room for improvement is the movie mode setting. While the TV does a fantastic job with most content, some users have reported that fine-tuning the picture to get the most realistic movie experience can be tricky. A bit of manual adjustment might be needed to suit your personal preferences, which could be a downside for users who aren't tech-savvy. Lastly, while the built-in sound is impressive, there have been a few reports of issues with low-frequency sounds, where a slight rattling is heard from one of the back speakers. This is relatively rare, but it's worth considering, especially if you're an audiophile. Looking at some user reviews, the overall sentiment is overwhelmingly positive. One user stated that the QN900D delivers excellent visuals, especially during sports events, with spot-on color accuracy. Another mentioned the bright display as a perfect match for well-lit rooms, though they did experience some issues with the movie mode settings. A gamer praised the QN900D for its stellar gaming performance, with the upscaling and refresh rate excelling during Xbox gameplay. However, not all feedback is glowing. As mentioned, one user noted sound distortion at higher volumes, particularly with low bass. This isn't a deal breaker but could be an issue for those expecting perfect sound without the need for an external sound system. In conclusion, the Samsung 85-inch class QN900D Series Neo QLED 8K Smart Tizen TV is an absolute powerhouse in the world of home entertainment. From its breathtaking 8K resolution and AI-powered features to the immersive audio and smart capabilities, this TV stands as a benchmark for what premium television technology should be. While it has a few quirks, such as minor sound issues and a slightly finicky movie mode, these are small concessions in the grand scheme of things. If you're looking for a TV that not only impresses but also transforms your viewing and gaming experience, the QN900D is an investment worth making. It's the perfect marriage of beauty, brains, and brawn, pushing the boundaries of what home entertainment can achieve. That's a wrap on our review of the Samsung 85-inch class QN900D Series Neo QLED 8K Smart Tizen TV. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. And let us know in the comments, would you add this to your home entertainment setup? Thanks for watching.